If you want to know how to invite people to a direct chat on Telegram, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it on Telegram desktop. Whether you want to start a one-on-one conversation with a friend, colleague, client, or community member, Telegram makes it simple once you know where to click. And if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your PC. Once Telegram loads, look at the left-hand side of the screen and find the search bar at the top of the chat panel. This search bar is what you'll use to find the exact person you want to message. Click inside the search bar, then type the person's exact username if you know it. Make sure to include the @ symbol in front of it, like @username, because that helps Telegram find the correct account faster. If you do not know the username, you can also type the person's name. Telegram will then show matching results based on your search. After you type the name or username, look carefully at the global search results or your contact list. Telegram may show multiple people with similar names, so be sure to click the correct user profile. This step is important because you want to start a direct chat with the right person, not someone with a similar display name. Once you click the correct profile, Telegram will open the chat window for that user. At this point, you can type your first message in the text box at the bottom of the chat. This first message is what officially starts the direct conversation if you have not chatted with them before. After typing your message, simply hit enter on your keyboard to send it. As soon as you do that, the direct chat is open and you can continue messaging normally. If the person is already in your contacts, the process is even faster because they may appear right away in your list or search results. If they are not in your contacts, using the exact username is usually the best method. Just remember to double check the profile before you message, especially if you are searching by name only. And that's it. You now know how to invite people to a direct chat on Telegram using Telegram desktop. It only takes a few seconds once you know the steps, and it's a simple way to start private conversations quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Telegram tips and step-by-step guides.